Hey everyone, welcome back to Zaki Crypto Update, your go-to channel for the latest and most in-depth cryptocurrency insights. I'm Zaki, and today we've got some explosive news shaking up the crypto space. Grab your coffee and settle in because we're diving into PiNetwork's monumental surge in trading volume and a market cap that just rocketed past $10 billion. You won't want to miss this breakdown, so let's get right into it. Before we jump in, a quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, and nothing here should be taken as investment advice. Always do your own research before making any financial decisions. Alright, let's talk about today's headline. Just in, PiNetwork records massive trading surge as market cap hits $10 billion. That's right, PiNetwork has once again captured the attention of crypto enthusiasts and investors around the globe. Recently, its trading volume skyrocketed to nearly $390 million. This surge isn't just a fleeting moment, it underscores the sustained and growing investor interest in what many believe is one of the most disruptive projects in the digital asset space. With a circulating supply of around 7 billion Pi coins, PiNetwork's market cap has now soared to an impressive $10.45 billion. When you put that in perspective, it positions Pi right up there among some of the heavyweight contenders in the crypto industry, potentially rivaling established giants like Bitcoin and Ethereum. But what exactly is driving this phenomenal growth? One of the standout features of PiNetwork is its revolutionary approach to crypto mining. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies that rely on expensive mining hardware and consume vast amounts of energy, PiNetwork offers a completely different model. Here's the kicker, you can mine Pi right from your smartphone. That's right, with just your mobile device, you can participate in this innovative mining process with minimal resources. This mobile mining mechanism opens up the world of crypto to millions who might otherwise be excluded due to technical or financial barriers. Think about it, in regions where traditional mining is simply not feasible due to infrastructure limitations or high energy costs, PiNetwork levels the playing field. It's a game changer, making digital asset participation accessible to virtually anyone with a smartphone. Unlike the energy-intensive proof-of-work systems seen with Bitcoin or the sometimes exclusive proof-of-stake models, PiNetwork employs a novel consensus algorithm. This design enables everyday users to mine coins effortlessly through an easy-to-use mobile app. The result? Over 60 million engaged pioneers forming one of the largest and most active crypto communities on the planet. It's not all about speculative trading. Work is taking significant strides to become a legitimate medium of exchange. Across China, Southeast Asia, and parts of Africa, businesses and merchants are beginning to accept Pi as a form of payment. This grassroots adoption is a huge vote of confidence, proving that Pi has the potential to move beyond just a trading asset and become integral to everyday transactions. What started as a community-driven initiative is now catching the eye of big-time institutional investors. With its market cap exceeding $10 billion, Pi is beginning to be seen in the same conversation as more established cryptocurrencies. This increased institutional backing could pave the way for major listings on leading exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken, further boosting Pi's credibility and market reach. These factors together are creating a perfect storm of innovation and opportunity. It's clear that PiNetwork isn't just another crypto project, it's building a robust ecosystem with the potential to redefine how we think about digital assets and crypto mining. But before we all get swept up in the hype, it's important to understand that every revolutionary technology faces its share of challenges. Let's dive into some of the hurdles that PiNetwork must overcome to truly cement its place as a mainstream cryptocurrency. As with any crypto project gaining traction, PiNetwork is under the watchful eye of governments and financial regulators worldwide. Navigating the complex landscape of global regulations will be crucial for its continued growth and legitimacy. The project will need to ensure compliance in multiple jurisdictions to avoid potential legal pitfalls. As the PiNetwork user base grows, so does the pressure on its infrastructure. Ensuring that transactions remain fast, secure, and decentralized is paramount. Any hiccup in scalability or security could lead to significant setbacks. The team will need to continuously innovate and upgrade their technology to handle increased demand while safeguarding the network against potential cyber threats. Despite its impressive growth, many seasoned crypto veterans remain skeptical about PiNetwork. Some view it as an ambitious experiment rather than a fully fledged cryptocurrency. Overcoming this skepticism will require Pi to prove its utility and reliability through real-world applications and consistent performance. These challenges aren't insurmountable, but they do represent critical milestones that PiNetwork must address as it evolves from a promising project into a dominant force in the crypto market. So, where does PiNetwork go from here? Let's explore the future possibilities and the potential impact on the broader world of decentralized finance. One of the most eagerly anticipated events on PiNetwork's roadmap is the transition to open Mainnet. This move will not only unlock the full potential of the network but will also pave the way for broader adoption by institutional investors and mainstream users alike. The success of this transition could serve as a major catalyst, boosting user confidence and driving even more real-world utility. Imagine a world where a digital currency can be mined on your phone, used to pay for everyday goods, and easily transferred across borders without the need for a middleman. That's the promise of PiNetwork. With businesses already beginning to accept it in several regions, the project is poised to become one of the first cryptocurrencies to achieve mass market usability. If Pi can build on its current momentum, we might just be witnessing the beginning of a new era in digital finance. With market sentiment increasingly positive, more institutional investors are likely to take notice. A listing on major exchanges would be a game-changing moment, giving Pi the kind of exposure and credibility that could solidify its position in the crypto hierarchy. This potential influx of institutional capital, coupled with the innovative technology behind the network, could drive Pi's value and influence even higher in the coming years. Beyond market dynamics, PiNetwork represents a broader shift towards financial inclusion. By enabling anyone with a smartphone to participate in cryptocurrency mining, Pi is democratizing access to digital assets. This could have profound implications, particularly in developing regions where traditional banking infrastructure is limited. The empowerment of millions of new users could, in turn, spur economic growth and innovation on a global scale. In short, the future of PiNetwork is full of potential. If the team can successfully navigate the upcoming challenges, we could see the project evolve into a transformative force within the digital asset ecosystem. To wrap things up, let's recap the key points of today's update. PiNetwork has seen a massive trading surge, with its market cap soaring past $10 billion. Its revolutionary mobile mining mechanism is breaking down barriers, making crypto accessible to millions. Merchant adoption and growing institutional interest are strong indicators of its potential. However, challenges such as regulatory hurdles, scalability, and market skepticism remain critical factors that the project must address moving forward. As we continue to watch PiNetwork's journey, it's clear that we're at a pivotal moment for this digital asset. Whether you're a longtime crypto enthusiast or a newcomer exploring the crypto space, PiNetwork's story is one that's worth keeping an eye on. The coming months could be defining moments for the project, potentially setting the stage for a major shift in how we mine, use, and think about digital currencies. If you found this analysis insightful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Zaki Crypto Update, and ring the bell so you never miss our latest crypto news and in-depth analyses. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on PiNetwork. Do you think mobile mining is the future of crypto? Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Stay curious, stay informed, and as always, keep your crypto journey moving forward. Until next time, take care and happy investing.